Hey guys, it's your girl Sheila J, and I'm back with another Model Monday video. And today's video is a tutorial video on how to make your own comp cards. Now, before you do this, I want to ensure and let you guys know that you probably should really make sure that if you're going to basically be making your own comp cards, make sure all of your pictures that you are putting on your comp cards are at least in a resolution of 300, because if they are not in a resolution of 300, when it comes down to printing your comp cards, the image is not going to look right. So that's pretty much my only thing that I want to say before getting started. That's the only thing I want to say. Other than that, let's go. So we're going to come in here and basically create a design, and you're going to put custom dimensions, which would be, instead of doing pixels, you're going to do inches, because comp cards are generally, or headshots are generally printed in 8x10, usually. Okay, first of all, why is this? So I'm going to add another page. This is the way that I want it. And Canva is free. I like Canva. I pretty much use Canva for almost all of my graphic needs. So when you are doing this, you just want to come in here and basically, you don't want elements. You want to go to grids and see all. Because I tried to put an image here, it does not look right. So you just want to go in and add a full-on image, and then you can adjust later. So we're gonna go to uploads. Get in here, and then I already have my. I don't know why. That. Then we're going to come here to text, and we're going to do grouping text. Well, we may not do grouping text. It depends on how I feel. We're going to do grouping text. So I'm trying to find grouping text that works. But I may not do a grouping text. I may not have to. But I do want to put, like, I want to have a script. Kind of makes sense. Like, if you basically paid for, if you end up paying for this, then it'll be better, because if you end up paying, it always, like, honestly, like I said, if you pay for it, it's always better to pay for it, because pay for Canva, because even though it's free, like it might be free, but I don't know. It's like, my whole take on it is that even if it's free, you just want to, like, okay, that's how it should be. I don't know why the outline of this is not letting me change the outline. Anyways, if you pay for this, they give you a whole bunch of, like, different they basically give you a bunch of stuff, like different scripts that you're able to use, and you can unlock different scripts. So that's what my biggest thing is. Eventually, I'm probably going to invest in Canva, just because, like, it makes sense. But for what I'm going for right now, I cannot find it. Do not know why. Okay, so this is. I'm trying to find this group text, but definitely not giving me what I want. So we're gonna change this. Okay, try this again. So we're gonna do this one. Make this a little bigger. I hate when these tutorial videos end up going longer than when I expected them to be, because it's not how at all how I expected this video to be. This is center it. This is a little lower. And then we're gonna go here. We're gonna go back to my photos, uploads. I'm gonna put this one, this one. Probably not what I was looking for, so we're gonna take this. That's not. You're basically honestly making a collage. Like, that's honestly what you're doing, is making a collage. Then you're gonna go back here and you're gonna add more text. This will be 32, 26, 36, 4. Outline. And voila, all finished. And just make sure that when you are saving this, you are downloading it as a PDF print, because if you do not, then it's not going to work. So that is all.